Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to our NIEBS Home School. This is Marjia Islam, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Now I am going to take a General Science class for class 1. Our today's topic is Chapter 15, Discussion plus Exercise plus Word Meaning plus Question Answer plus One Word Answer plus Odd on Out. Our today's topic is Chapter 15, Discussion, Exercise, One Word, Question Answer, One Word Answer, Odd on Out. Our lecture number 12 and SW number 9. Now start our class. Our chapter name is The Need for Water. The chapter 15, I repeat, the chapter name is The Need for Water. Mind mapping. Learn about the source of water, the need for water, saving water, how can we store water. Now, the sources of water. Water is very important for us. Underline this line. All living things need water to live. Underline this line. Let us see the different sources from where we get water. We get water from rains. Underline this line. This is the picture of rain. We get water from rains. Dear students, underline this line. Next, we get water from rivers. This is the picture of rivers. Next, we get water from lakes. This is the lakes. Next, we get water from ponds. This is the picture of ponds. Dear students, underline this line. Underline, we get water from rivers. Underline this line. We get water from lakes. Underline this line. We get water from ponds. Underline this line. Here the new words, sources, that means places. Now we can move the next page. Our topic, why do we need air? We need water for various things. Water is needed for, this is the picture. One boy is drinking water. The next picture, one girl is washing. The girl is using water for washing. Next, the girls and boys, water is using for cleaning. The boys is bathing and the girl is cooking. Here the boy is using water for watering plants. Now our next topic, saving water. Water should never be wasted. We should always save water. Dear students, underline this line. We should always save water. We should never leave the tap water running when brushing, washing hands or face. Underline this line. We should never leave the tap water running when brushing, washing hands or face. We should always use water wisely while bathing. Do not waste water in playing water games. Now the next page. Look at the pictures below. Say how we can save water. Here the pictures. Here this girl is using water for planting trees. She is using a mug. And here the girls, when she is cleaning the dishes, you do not waste water. You uses always washing machine. And when you are brushing, when you brush your teeth, don't turn off your taps. Now, how can we store and save water? Water is important for us. Underline this line. So we should not waste them. Underline this line. Water can be stored in many ways. It can be stored in pots, buckets, bottles and tanks at home. This is the picture of pots. This is the picture of bucket. This is the picture of bottles. This is the picture of tank. This is the picture of dam. Dams are also used to store large amount of water. Dear students, underline this line. Dams are also used to store large amount of water. The next page, we get fresh water from river, lakes and wells. Underline this line. We get fresh water from rivers, lakes and wells. We cannot drink sea water because it is salty. Dear students, underline this line. We cannot drink sea water because it is salty. Check the taps at home and school. If any of them are leaking, close them tightly and inform your elders and teachers. Now points to remember. Point 1. We get water from rains, rivers, lakes and ponds. Underline this line. We need water for drinking, washing, cleaning, cooking, bathing and watering plants. Underline this line. Plants and animals need water too. Underline this line. Saving water is important. Underline this line. Now, objective type question. Part A. Tick the correct answer. We should waste, play with, save water. Which is the correct answer? Our correct answer is save water. So, we can say we should save water. Next 2. At home, we store water in dams, tanks, pools. What is the correct answer? Our correct answer is tanks. Now we can say at home we store water in tanks. Number 3. We get water from taps, wells, rains. Which is the correct answer? Our correct answer is rain. Now we can say we get water from rain. One of the use of water is cooking, storing, wasting. What is the correct answer? Our correct answer is cooking. That means one of the use of water is cooking. Now the next part B. True, false. Number 1. We get sweet water from rivers. This is true or false? This answer is true. I repeat, we get sweet water from rivers. This is true. Number 2. Sea water is salty. This is true. This answer is true. Sea water is salty. This answer is true. Number 3. Saving water is not important. This is false. Number 4. We should leave the tap water running. This answer is false. Dear students, this is true, false. Now word meaning. Word meaning. Number 6. Exercise. The activity and movement of the body, especially to the keep healthy. I repeat, exercise, activity and movement of the body, especially to keep healthy. Number 7. Dam. A wall built to hold back water across a river or stream. I repeat, dam. A wall built to hold back water across a river or stream. Number 8. Weather. How wet or hot the air is outside. I repeat, weather. How wet or hot the air is outside. Now, one word answer. 12. What kind of clothes do we wear in hot? Answer is cotton clothes. 13. What kind of clothes do we wear in cold? Woolen clothes. Number 14. What is the condition of outside? Cold. The answer is weather. 15. What is used for storing large amount of water? The answer is dam. Dear students, I repeat one word answer. 12. What kind of clothes do we wear in hot? Answer, cotton cloths. Number 13. What kind of clothes do we wear in cold? Answer, woolen clothes. Number 14. What is the condition of outside called? Answer, weather. 15. What is used for storing large amount of water? Answer, dam. Now, question answer. Question answer 6. How do our hands and legs help us to do works? Answer, our hand help us to eat, write and carry things. Our legs help us to walk, run and climb. I repeat the question 6. How do our hands and legs help us to do works? Our answer is, our hand help us to eat, write and carry things. Our legs help us to walk, run and climb. The question 7. Why do we need water? Answer, we need water for drinking, washing, bathing, cooking, watering plants, etc. I repeat the question 7. Why do we need water? Answer, we need water for drinking, washing, bathing, cooking, watering plants. Now, odd on out. Odd on out. I repeat, this topic is odd on out. Number 1. Here, sheep, deer, tiger, giraffe. Here, sheep is the odd because sheep is farm animal but others are not. Number 2. Lion, jellyfish, rabbit, monkey. Here, the odd on is jellyfish because this is water animal but others are not. Number 3. Hen, dog, lion, elephant. Here, hen is odd on because this is farm animal. Number 4. Cat, crow, eagle, fish. Here, cat is odd on because this is pet animal but others are not. Number 5. Bee, goldfish, guppy, angel, fish. Here, odd on is bee because this is insect but others are not. 6. Lion, elephant, goat, whale. Here, odd on is whale because this is water animal. Number 7. Drinking, pot, bucket, tank. Here, the different thing is drinking. The word on is drinking, but others is pot, bucket, tank. Number 8. Nose, eye, ear, walk. Here, the different, that means word on is walk. Number 9. Cow, goat, elephant, spider. Here, the odd on is spider. Spider is insect but others are not. Number 10. Monkey, squirrel, parrot, lion. Here, the odd on is lion because this is land animal. Dear students, I repeat odd on out. Number 1, odd on out is sheep. Number 2, odd on out is jellyfish. Number 3, odd on out is hen. Number 4, odd on is cat. Number 5, odd on is bee. Number 6, odd on is whale. Number 7, odd on is drinking. Number 8, odd on is walk. Number 9, odd on is spider. Number 10, odd on is lion. Dear students, our homework number is 9 and our homework is odd on out. Our homework is odd on out only. Dear students, hope you have understood today's topic. See you again in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.